Hello there, my name is Noah Kraus. As a reminder, I do have a speech impediment, and that will most likely come out in this video. Do enjoy. The book I chose to read for this class was Population 1, Autism, Adversity, and the Will to Succeed, written by Tyler McNamara. In this book, Tyler shares with the reader his take on the world through the lens of autism. One thing that stuck out at me was just how advanced in mind Tyler is, despite his autism, even because of his autism. In several places throughout the book, Tyler gives several metaphors that often required more deep thought. For example, in the first chapter, he made a connection between one's preferences and human interaction and worlds or planets. This is fairly straightforward. However, he then broadened the metaphor to include galaxies and the universe, which was where he lost me. Another example of Tyler's greatness in mind was in chapter 15, when Tyler compares himself to his favorite animal, the tiger. He compares the tiger's light and dark colors, orange and black, to his life, saying he has had both dark moments and light moments. He compares the tiger's sense of smell and his subsequent desire to stay away from that which does not please its nose, to his desire to stay away from those who have personalities that stink. He compares the eyes of a tiger always being calm to himself always being able to be calm in a potentially threatening situation at school. I noticed many places in the book that connected to what we learned in class. In chapter 42, Tyler talks about routines and how, after school would end in the summer, he would feel lost, as he would no longer have that routine in his life. We learned in class that those with autism rely heavily on routines. Also, in chapter 28, Tyler talked about how he would always interrupt his dad when he was on the phone. His dad thusly kept a picture of him making the shush sign on his door whenever he was on the phone in his home office. This helped Tyler a lot more than a worded sign would have. In class, we learned that it is easier for those with autism to learn with pictures. I would recommend this book to others, not only for all the insights it gives on those with autism, but also just for the good advice and self-help Tyler offers.